Okay, I just want to ask you guys a question. If I were to tell you that this is a dream that we're living in, that really our actual essence, who we truly are, is way beyond this. Like, this is like a tiny blip, a speck of experience that our higher selves are having, and that all of this is really just projection. It's just a dream. I was listening to a really cool thing. I don't know how many of you follow Bashar or watch Bashar, but he was explaining the whole how everything is just one particle, right? Like, we actually are just all one thing. We're all one energy. We're all one particle. And he says think about it this way, right? And I guess Buddy was demonstrating with a light. And as he's flashing the light from side to side to side to side, as it sped up, it almost started to look like there was two different spots, like two different actual singular focused areas, right? Two different particles. But really it was just one, right? Because it was just moving so fast. And if it had stopped at other points and it was just moving so, like, because it is one, because source is everything, its speed is infinite. There is no speed of sound, speed of light, all of that. It's infinite. It can be, the speed is just infinitely increasing nonstop. Infinity. And that's why we are, in a way, if you can kind of grasp it that way, we are one. We are all part of source. We are all one entity. And it's experiencing itself by projecting itself in like a limitless amount of realities, okay? And even as it's given individualization and sentience to parts of itself, so it can experience itself, even more so than what it actually has, because source doesn't have the human experience like we do, as we've, our overseer selves, our higher selves, has reincarnated itself so many different times, so many different places. You might even have multiple reincarnations of yourself on not just Earth, by the way. That's a trippy thought, isn't it? But it's true. So you could be in a zillion different places right now. You're probably only going to connect with the ones that are resonating with you right now. And they're going to connect with, ones that resonate with them too. Maybe not just you, right? So it's kind of cool when you think about it like that way. It's like a spider web, or like, it just kind of goes out from like that one singular spot. And then of course you layer that, and anyways, it gets really cool. It's like there's webs within webs, but there's a lot of connections there because there's so many of just the one. And we're in a dream. So if I was to tell you that this is just a dream that the universe is having to experience itself, and you're a part of it, what would you say?